Hi, I'm Colin with today's quick tip. Before starting your machine, it's important to perform a daily walk-around. After you've completed your walk-around on the exterior, you will also want to check the engine compartment. First, check the engine enclosure screens for damage or foreign material. Then, inspect the engine compartment, looking for debris as well as any leaks from the engine as well as the fuel filters. Check your engine oil to ensure proper levels and look for any possible contamination. Check the air cleaner service indicator. Check the coolant level. Inspect the fuel cooler, hydraulic oil cooler, the charge air cooler, and hydraulic coil filter for debris and leaks. Check the fins on the heat exchangers. Ensure none of the fins are bent. Inspect the fan enclosure and fan motor for leaks and broken fan blades. Check the radiator as well as the fuel cap. Inspect the hydraulic oil filter. Look for signs of exhaust leaks around the turbo and exhaust manifold. Inspect the V-belt for any cracking and also confirm proper tension. Check air intake hoses to ensure they are intact and that all connections are secure. Finally, look under the machine to make sure there are no leaks or any other problems that you may have overlooked. Following these steps will help keep your machine working longer and more efficiently. That's been today's quick tip. Thanks for watching.